Yo, what up guys? Welcome back to another quick Flutter tutorial. If you think about it, most apps are just simply scrollable lists, which can get kind of boring from an aesthetic point of view. So let's cook something up that's a little more fancy, like this liquid refresh pool. This is a fire package that's been around for some time now. I'll put the link in the description if you want to take a closer look under the hood, but I can show you real quick how to implement this into your apps. Now the very first thing you need to do is to go to your pubspec.yaml file, and we're going to add this dependency on, so liquid pool to refresh, and for the version I'm going to use the latest version as of today. Cool, so save it, and in my code, if you take a look at my main function, I'm running my app, which is running my homepage, which is a stateless widget, and inside I've got here a blank scaffold. So let's just give it a nice background color. And for the body, now I've already showed you how you can use a list view widget, so check out that video if you need. But just to sum up real quick, a list view is a scrollable list, and inside, if I just create some containers, and I just copy and create a few more of these children, here is my basic list view. Now to get the liquid refresh pool, you want to wrap the list view in the widget. So if you start typing liquid pool to refresh, you should see the option, which is what we imported in our pubspec.yaml file. Now it's currently got a red squiggle underneath, so if you hover over it, it requires us to define on refresh. So let's create this method real quick. So handle refresh. Now the whole reason the user would be refreshing in the first place is to reload some data most likely. So while we're fetching the data, it will take a small amount of time. So if I just give this a duration of 2 seconds, we can demonstrate here what 2 seconds of loading would look like. So if I pull, you can now see there it is. But just to simplify the code here, in the child of this liquid pool to refresh widget, you just need to place a list view. So that's that. And now we can just decorate the hell out of it. Of course, for the color, I want this to be deep purple. You can choose whatever color you like. And for the height, let's set this to be 300. And the background color, if you look at the little loading circle, that's what this color should be here. There we go. And you can also specify some of these other speed options. So looks like the default is 1 here, so if I just change this to 2, it should be a little bit quicker. The other really important property to specify here is how opaque it is. So you can actually say, if this was false, you can see all of my children in the list view are still visible. Whereas if I set this to be true, then while it's loading, you can no longer see the children in the list view. So just a couple of options for you to customize. And that's it. That's how you can implement this liquid pool to refresh to your apps. Hopefully that was easy to understand. Play around with it and let me know if you have any questions. But other than that, thanks for watching and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Laters!